Myself, Chitra H. Assistant Professor, Department of CSE, AI&ML, Rajiv Institute of Technology, Hassan. In this session, we'll be seeing about implementation of data structures and its applications programs. Subject code BCSL305. Post program. Develop program in C for converting an infix expression to postfix expression. Program should support for both parenthesized and free parenthesized expression with the operators plus, minus, multiplication, division, and remainder, that is modulus, and power with alphanumeric operand. So we have included two header files, that is stdio.h and stdlib.h, and we are declaring void evaluate void push character pop in three character of arrays infix, postfix, and stack, and we are taking an empty stack, that is top is equals to -1. In the main function, we are asking user to enter an infix expression and taking the user input as a scanner, and then we are calling evaluate function. After calling the evaluate function, we are printing the entered expression, that is infix, and the corresponding postfix expression after conversion, that is postfix. In evaluate function, first, we are taking an empty stack. To specify this, we are pushing an element hash into the stack, and then we are using for loop to traverse to the entered infix expression, and then we are taking symbol is equals to infix of I. We are traversing and taking each and every element of an infix expression, and we are using switch case. If first case is bracket open, so if we find a bracket open symbol, then we are pushing it into the stack, and if we encounter with bracket close, then we are popping out the temp variable, and then we are traversing till we find an again bracket open symbol, and if we find that, we will end the file loop. Otherwise, then we will increment and we will take out all the elements in between the bracket open and bracket close. And next, if we encounter plus, minus, multiplication, division, and modulus, we are taking brick, so that we are checking for priority of the operators, and if it's greater, then we are popping and then incrementing and adding it into the postfix, and then we are pushing symbols into the stack. So default, we are directly adding postfix, that is symbol, into the postfix, while top is greater than 0, temp is equals to pop. So if there is any element is remaining in the stack, then we are popping all the elements into the postfix. So in void push, we are adding an element into the stack. In void character pop, we are popping out, or we are taking out an element out of a stack. In here, we are providing priorities for the operators. If we encounter hash or if we see hash, the priority for that is -1. And for bracket open and bracket close, its priority is 0. And for plus and minus, it's 1. And for multiplication, division, and modulo, it's 2. And for exponent and dollar, it's 3. So finally, we are returning the P, that is the postfix expression, to the user. We have seen how the program is. Next, we will see how the program executes and what will be the output.